श्रीराम रामेति श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। भगवती सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। Then here we have a very beautiful scene in Kailash Parvata below the banyan tree. Shivaji is sitting down there on the tiger skin. Seeing the right moment, Parvati has come there, sat down. A very cordial talk is going on. She is remembering her past previous birth. Pati hi hetu adhika anumani bihasi uma boli priyabani katha jo sakal lok hitakari सोई पूछन चह शैल कुमारी। पति ही हेतु अधिक अनुमानी। अपने पति, that is her husband, she sees the face of Shiva and understands that not like the earlier birth. He is not in a different, in a sentiment of giving her up, but he is more attracted towards her, attached to her. So she comes and sits down and speaks in a very, very loving, affectionate manner. Bihasi uma boli priyabani katha jo sakal lok hitakari. That story, which is very, very for the welfare of the entire world. Soi puchana chaha saila kumari. So she wanted to ask Shiva to narrate that story, which is in the welfare of the entire world. विश्वनाथ मम नाथ पुरारी त्रिभुवन महिमा विदित तुम्हारी चर अरु अचर नाग नर देवा सकल करहि पद पंकज सेवा। O Vishwanath, O Lord of the universe and my own Lord, Mamanath Purari, and you are the slayer of Pura. Purari is an asura called Pura. Tribhuvana Mahima Vidit Tumari, and everybody knows your fame in all the three worlds. Char, that is the conscious or sentient, achar, achar means what we call as inert, naga, serpents, nara, humans, deva, devatas, sakala karahi pada pankaj seva, all of them worship your lotus feet. Prabhu samarat sarabhagya siva, sakala kala gun dhama, जोग ज्ञान वैराग्य निधि प्रणत कल्पतरु नाम। Prabhu, O Lord, Samarth, you are completely capable of everything. There is nothing beyond your capacity. Sarvajna, you are all-knowing. You are Shiva, present everywhere. Sakal Kala Gunadham, you know every single art and you are full of wonderful qualities. Yoga, yoga, jnana, knowledge, vairagya, dispassion, nidhi, treasure, pranata kalpataru naam. And you are a wish-fulfilling tree to all those people whoever bows down to you. Jo mo par prasanna sukh rasi, janiya satya mohi nij dasi, कही रघुनाथ कथा विधि नाना। जो मोह पर प्रसन्न सुख राशि, ओ abode, embodiment of bliss, if you are pleased with me and if you consider me as your ardent devotee, तो प्रभु हरहु मोर अज्ञाना, then you remove my ignorance. कही रघुनाथ कथा विधि नाना, by telling all the stories of Raghunatha. जासु भवन सुर तरु तर होई, सही की दरिद्र जनित दुख सोई। शशि भूषण अस हृदय विचारी, हरहु नाथ मम मति भ्रम भारी। जासु भवन सुरतरु तर होई, सुरतरु means kalpa vriksha, the wish fulfilling tree. If that wish fulfilling tree is just at reach in somebody's house, saheki daridra janita sukha soi, will we be having any sort of poverty at all? Can a person think of poverty for a person who has got the wish fulfilling tree at the doorstep, very near to him? Sasi Bhushan, the one who is wearing the Chandra as the ornament, Shashibhushan Shiva, Asahridaya Vichari, considering this, Harahu Nath Mamamati Brahmabari. Now you remove my Brahma, remove my illusion, remove my ignorance by narrating the story to me. Prabhu Je Muni Paramaratha Badi, Kahi Rama Kahu Brahma Anadi, शेष शारदा वेद पुराना, सकल करहि रघुपति गुण गाना। O Lord, all those people who know about the Paramartha, about Paramatma, they all say that Rama himself is Parabrahma and Anadi. Says Sharada Veda Purana. Shesh means the Adi Shesha, Sharada is Saraswati. Vedas also and the Puranas also describe Ram as Parabrahma. Sakala Karahi Raghupati Gunagana, they all sing the glory of Sri Ram. Tum Puni Ram Ram Din Rati, Sadar Japahu Anang Arati. राम सो अवध नृपति सुत सोई, की अज अगुन अलख गति कोई। तुम पुनि राम राम दिन राति, सादर जप हो अनंग आराती. Every night, day and night you are singing that, doing the chanting of Sri Ram, and very with lot of respect you are doing that one. And you are the one who has slain Kamadeva. Ramu so avadhan Nripati Sutu Sohi, is that Rama which you are chanting, is it the same Ayodhya Putra Rama, or he is Aja, he is unborn, he is beyond all these forms, and Alakhagati, that is he is ultimate for everything, that is he is Ajanma, Nirgun and Agochar, he is not visible to everybody. Please tell me. जो नृपतनयत ब्रह्म किमी, नारी बिरह मति भोरी, देखि चरित महिमा सुनत, भ्रमति बुद्धि अति मोरी. If that son, that prince son of Dasharath Maharaj is truly Parabrahma, then why should he become so disturbed by the loss of his wife? I don't understand this one. And when I listen to the Charitra on one side of the glory of Rama as Parabrahma, I am very beautiful. My devotion also rises. And when I see what is going on in fact, and I am led to delusion and illusion. So remove this doubt of mine. Hari Om Tat Sat.